Hello everyone, once again and welcome back to yet another AFI $1,000 giveaway. Today we are playing the game Yard Pong. We're gonna have two teams across from each other. Each person's gonna have a ball and they're gonna try to throw it into the other team's buckets. If they get a ball into the bucket, that bucket is pulled away, and whichever team runs out of buckets first loses. Whether they bounce it in, whether they throw it in, it's all fair game. But when one team wins, big twist, we're splitting them up. It's gonna be a 1v1 to see who is the ultimate Yard Pong champion and who will have the opportunity to win one of you $1,000 worth of fragrance from the AFI store. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
Ready? Distraction! Distraction! You go, I'm scared. Oh, oh, oh. Ah! Every time. Who bought these? Distraction! Distraction! Oh! Ah! 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 Oh! How did you do that? You just threw it? Yeah. Ah! Bark! You're carrying the team. No! Oh! Ah! Bad. Did you see it like? Oh! Oh! Ah! It scared me. Oh! Oh! Our ball! No!
Board, board.
Oh!
The diamond.
Oh! Oh! Ah!
What were you doing with that?
Oh yeah! Yeah! No!
Yeah, I felt like you were more to the right.
Distraction! Distraction! Yeah! Oh dang!
I don't know. The first two cups wins. You know what? That means we're not going to be in the second round. Nice try.
It's a never-ending game. Yes! Yeah! Ew! A water splashed my mouth. Yuck! Bye-bye! Just hit her in the side.
Oh my god.
Man, this is
Okay,
worse and worse.
I forgive you guys if you win. If you think it'll help. Never mind.
What? What?
Alright, now dump it on her head.
Okay, I'm back up.
We go.
Just in case it splashes.
Oh no. Yikes. Oh no. Oh no. All right. That's one. Hey, congratulations.
Thanks.
And with that, we have a winner, Sarah. Congratulations. That was some fantastic playing, great throwing. You had some real endurance in the first round. We congratulate you. How does it feel to be the ultimate victor here today?
It feels amazing.
Fantastic, awesome. And because you're the ultimate victor, that means that your entrant has won $1,000 worth of fragrance from the AFI store. Congratulations. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, all of those things, and be ready because we've got even more AFI $1,000 giveaways coming up to you really soon. See you guys next time. Goodbye.